Hello, everyone. Welcome to Enter the English, where we make learning English fun and easy through stories and real-life topics. Today, we have a special story for your listening practice. It is based on an important topic in world history, the long and powerful story of Iran. In Middle Eastern history, few countries have a story as deep and dramatic as Iran. For more than 2,000 years, the land once called Persia has stood at the center of great empires, powerful ideas, and major changes in the world. To understand Iran today, we must travel back to the ancient world.
More than 2,500 years ago, a leader named Cyrus the Great rose from the Iranian plateau. He built one of the first great empires in human history. His empire stretched from Central Asia to the Mediterranean Sea. But Cyrus ruled in a unique way. Instead of destroying the cultures he conquered, he allowed people to keep their traditions, religions, and customs. Because of this, many historians see him as one of the first rulers to support tolerance and respect for different cultures. After Cyrus, the empire grew even stronger under kings like Darius I. Darius built roads across the empire, created systems of taxation, and organized one of the earliest large administrations in history. The Persian Empire became a center of trade, communication, and culture. But history often changes quickly. In 330 BCE, the famous conqueror Alexander the Great invaded Persia and defeated the empire. The great palace city of Persepolis was burned, and the Persian Empire collapsed. For many nations, such a defeat might have ended their story, but not for Persia.
Persian scholars, artists, and writers began to shape the new Islamic civilization. Persian language and literature grew stronger than ever. One of the greatest works from this time was written by the poet Ferdowsi. His famous book, the Shahnameh, told the ancient legends and history of Persian kings and heroes. It helped preserve Persian identity for future generations. Persian poetry also became famous across the world. Writers like Rumi and Hafez wrote beautiful poetry about love, faith, and human life. Their words are still read and loved today. But Iran's history continued to face great challenges. In the 1200s, the Mongol armies invaded the region. Many cities were destroyed, and the country suffered greatly.
Yet, even then, Persian culture survived. Over time, the Mongol rulers themselves adopted Persian traditions, language, and administration. Once again, Iran showed its ability to adapt and endure. Centuries later, a new dynasty called the Safavids rose to power. One of their greatest leaders was Shah Abbas I. Under the Safavids, Iran became strong again and developed a unique identity. The Safavids also made an important decision. They made Shia Islam the main religion of the country. This decision would shape Iran's identity for centuries. As the world entered the modern era, Iran faced new challenges. Foreign influence, internal struggles, and political tensions grew stronger. In the 20th century, the country was ruled by the Pahlavi monarchy under Muhammad Reza Pahlavi. His government tried to modernize the country and strengthen its economy. Many people felt that the government ignored their traditions and limited political freedom. This growing dissatisfaction led to one of the most important events in modern Middle Eastern history, the Iranian Revolution. During this revolution, millions of people protested against the monarchy. The Shah left the country, and the religious leader, Ruhollah Khomeini, returned from exile. Soon after, Iran became the Islamic Republic of Iran. Today, Iran is a modern nation with a very ancient history. Its cities hold ruins of old empires, beautiful mosques, and busy modern streets. Through wars, invasions, revolutions, and great cultural achievements, Iran has continued to exist and evolve.
The story of Iran teaches us something important about history. Empires may fall, kings may disappear, but strong civilizations, the ones with deep culture, memory, and identity, can survive for thousands of years. And Iran is one of those civilizations. Thank you for listening, and we hope this story helped you learn both English and history in a simple and meaningful way.